Hi, good morning, children. How are you today? Oh no, I miss you so much. Today, Miss Putri would like to help you to learn at home with mommy and daddy. Today, we are going to learn about our new phonics sound. Everybody, are you ready to learn with Miss Putri? Okay, here, I will show you. Do you know what phonics sound is it? It's E. Everybody, let's say E together. Repeat after Miss Putri. 1, 2, 3. E. Okay, good job. And then can you see in here? Wow, what letters that we used to write the phonics sound of E? It's 2 letters E. And then children, do you know what words that have the sound of E? What is that? What word that has the sound of E? Okay, it's B. B. Everybody, repeat after Miss Putri. B. And then we have hill. Hill. Everybody, let's repeat after Miss Putri. Hill. And then we have fit. Fit. Everybody, let's repeat after Miss Putri. Fit. And we have tree. Tree. Everybody, repeat after Miss Putri. Tree. Next, we have ship. Ship. Everybody repeat after Miss Putri. Ship. And then the last one, we have teeth.